People playing board games, watching videos on mobile phones, eating food, sleeping huddled in blankets. This is not a scene from some camping site. These are common scene at this spot over the last few days. These people are not on a picnic but are keeping themselves occupied with such pastimes while waiting in long queues to get vaccinated. This is now a common scene outside a vaccination center in West Bengal's Siliguri, one of the country's poorest and remotest districts.
आदमी लोग को नॉर्मली 3 बजे से लाइन देना पड़ता है, कभी कभी तो 2-2:30 बजे से भी देना पड़ता है। अगर नहीं देगा तो उस 5-6 बजे आएगा तो कम से कम उसका नंबर हो जाएगा 100 के ऊपर, और 100 के ऊपर होने से क्या होता है, वैक्सीन देने में बहुत दिक्कत होती है।
Such scenes are an indication of how much India has quickly progressed from a state of vaccine hesitancy to desperately wanting to get vaccinated after the second wave of the pandemic, which saw about 5 lakh Indians lose their lives. While these are encouraging signs, India's lack of vaccine supply in remote areas like these are affecting the country's vaccination drive. The union government is hopeful of vaccinating the entire adult population by the end of this year. About 690 million adults have been vaccinated till date in a country with around 950 million eligible adults. Unless issues of vaccine shortage are addressed, this goal will be far from reachable.
वैक्सीन तो हम लोग देते हैं, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम यही है जो वैक्सीन सप्लाई देता है उससे ज़्यादा आदमी लोग आ जाता है। आज यहाँ पर बोला गया है कि 300 लोग तो है, लेकिन लाइन में तो 500 लोग खड़े हुए हैं। अगर इससे ज़्यादा वैक्सीन सप्लाई हो तो और भी अच्छा होगा।
Besides vaccine shortage, there are other issues plaguing Siliguri's vaccination drive. In June, this region witnessed protests after locals claimed that certain brokers were peddling coupons and interfering in the vaccination drive at government hospitals in the district. People also had to return empty-handed after waiting for 3 to 4 days as they were told hospitals had run out of vaccines. Similarly, in September, Siliguri witnessed protests outside 3 vaccination centers over vaccine shortage as frustrated people protested demanding vaccines after waiting in queues for hours. At one point, Kolkata witnessed a surge in vaccine demand as people from rural areas flocked to the state's capital in hunt for vaccines. However, those who could not afford to travel were left behind battling hurdles. In September, West Bengal Chief Minister had stated that the state had administered over 4 crore vaccines with zero wastage and were in need of at least 10 crore more vaccines from the centre. The onus is now on the governments to put aside petty politics and ensure that people are vaccinated. A Federal Report.